Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gaming House of PC. So in this video we are having this Amazon Fire TV stick. So first of all, if you want to know about its price, I purchased it for 3,999. So in this video we are going to review on this, and after that we will continue with our series of GTA 5, like doing missions, doing finding vehicles, mods and everything else. So first in this video, hope you enjoyed it, and if you're new to my channel, first subscribe. The button will be below, and it should not be red, it should be gray. And let's get straight into the video. About Amazon Fire TV stick, it comes in two variants. First, 1080p, which is for 3,999, which having both the 50 Hz and 60 Hz screen, and the next is 4K for 4K TVs, and it is also having 60 Hz and 50 Hz. It's in there 4K, and 4K price is about 5,999. So this is 1080p variant, and in this Amazon Fire TV stick, it is compatible with those TVs, with normal TVs which is having HDMI support. So you have to plug a pen drive type this Amazon Fire TV stick to your TV in the HDMI port. So what we can watch in Amazon Fire TV stick, first of all I'm going to tell you from here only. You can watch YouTube, Netflix, Sony Live, Z5, and all the application you can download and play. And for Amazon Prime, you have to purchase a membership, and also for Netflix you don't get any free membership with this Amazon Fire TV stick. For this you must have Amazon shopping account. So now let's unbox it. So now it comes like this, and when we open like this, and here the first thing we get is Amazon adapter, which is fully laminated. Just keep it aside. And the next thing is this remote. It's called the Fire TV stick remote, and this remote is too costly. Means if you accidentally destroys it, if you accidentally fail to something happened to this remote, then you have to spend 2,000 for this. So please keep it in a safe position. So in this remote, and the next thing what we get is the main thing, that is Amazon Fire TV stick. So it is just looking like a pen drive. You just have to plug to your HDMI port of your TV, and here are some documents. And also we get this HDMI converter, because sometimes if there is not enough space, if your HDMI port is behind the TV and it's not there enough space, or this is incompatible size with your HDMI port, so it is free size port. You can just have to plug to HDMI port and then this to Amazon Fire TV stick like this, and it is completed. And the next thing you also get here, I've just already unboxed it. So here's a cable of Amazon Fire TV stick. Please do not put any other cable to this adapter, because it is not compatible with all the charging cables. So do not pick. Please keep it as separate, and you have to just plug like this here. It's completed. So now the next thing is that we also get two free Amazon batteries, which we have to put like this. It is not so difficult. We're not done. So now the half of the setup is done, and now next thing is you have to do, first you have to plug to your TV like this, and after that what you have to do to give to the power support, here you will find a small port. First just let me do the focus. There will be fine port, and you have to just plug it right here. You see now, you have just plug it right there, and after that you just have to you have to have a socket for putting this. So now the setup is completed. Now I will show you the rest of the things in my TV, okay? This is the interface of Amazon Fire TV Stick. So first of all, I have already logged in all my personal things into it, and now this is the interface. So now what you get in this interface, first here it will ask you to download some apps. You can see I have already downloaded YouTube, Spotify, Hotstar and Netflix, Amazon, all the application which we can use frequently in this. So if you look onto the YouTube, you have to just press on it, and if you want to add your account, you can add it easily, or if you want to only be let your television be in the guest mode, you can also do this. You can see here's my YouTube, all the recommendations are here only. So you can play all the videos according to your net. And the main thing, if I want to tell you, is that in the Amazon Fire TV, with all the things you can see from A to Z, it is only dependent on your network, on your network speed. So you have to be in a powerful network area, and you have to make this to up to only 40 Mbps of speed minimum, so you can easily enjoy it. There will be no lag, everything. When see, first of all, just go to your settings and then here choose your network, and after that you just firstly go on display and setup. I've already done it, but I'm telling you again. You can see, and just go on this display, and just you can see here it's 1080p 50 Hz, 720p 60 Hz, and 720 50 Hz. So according to your net, if your net is sometimes slow, so you can also go with 720p 60 Hz, and don't go with 50 Hz. And if your net is average and net is good, so you can go with 1080p 60 Hz. Okay, the maximum is in the variant of 4,000 rupees, you get 1080p, and after that, if you are purchasing 6,000 spending on 6,000, you can purchase also 4K according to your TV. So you can see here in audio what we get. You can see here Dolby Digital plus automatic, over HDMI plus off. You have to press on automatic, because in some video it is not compatible with this, so you will not hear any sound. So if you go with automatic, if it is Dolby Digital plus, then it will already be switched on, and if it not, then it will already be switched off. Okay, so just press on back. You can see here you can check your application. You can see all manage install application. You can see I have already used 3 to 4 GB space. So in this there are so many special features. If you want to ask something to this Amazon Alexa, you can say, you have to 1 minute. Here you can see a button here. Just zoom it, focus. You can see here's a button. You have to press like this and then ask something. You don't have to do like this, just press and then asking something to this. It will not accept your command. So if you want to press like this, you have to hold it and then you ask a question. Like if we talk about Shah Rukh Khan, you can see here, if I'm going to say who is Shah Rukh Khan, then you can see the reply of it. Okay, you can see who is Shah Rukh Khan?
Shah Rukh Khan, also known as SRK, is an Indian film actor, producer and television personality.
You can see, and if you ask her again, who is Shah Rukh Khan?
Shah Rukh Khan, also known as SRK, is an Indian film actor.
You can see, and if you want to be a comparison between two artists should be in the same category. Like, so what we are saying, that if you want to do a comparison between two artists, then they should be in the same category. If they are singers, then should be in the same singer and anything else. And what you can do is, next you can see here, you will get some type of tips like try Alexa tell me sad shari, and the next thing you can see, you can also set an alarm for this. And if you want to play some videos like this, if you want to just play like this only, you just have to just press on this and just play dash video on YouTube or through Spotify, by JioSaavn or anything. Play audio, play some types of song, any other thing. You have to watch some movies, you can go with like this only, play the series, and just buy Amazon and buy Netflix or anything else. You can see if I want to play, some song. I just want to say that play What Makes You Beautiful on YouTube.
Getting that from YouTube.
So it will say that getting that from YouTube because I asked her, from YouTube. So it is, that it's opening YouTube, not, just playing the audio by herself. And then just play the video. You can see here the videos. You can see it is on. We can do this because I will get a copyright strike. And here you can see suggestions and just go right here from next. Quality, you can see here is 1080p, 720p, 480p, all the YouTube video quality preferences. You can see here all the it's just like YouTube, but its interface different from both computer and on mobile YouTube. You can just press back right here. You can see here from Disney Hotstar you have to purchase Disney Hotstar membership. Like I have already done it. So I'm going to show some another types of apps also, like Disney Plus Hotstar. You have to purchase, you will not get free. I can see here, you can see all the news channel and all the series which is available on this, all the cartoons and just shows, and just like you can go here like movies. All the movies are available on this. It's a good, so you can purchase this membership. If you go on back, just go on back and just you can also if you want to download some app, just go from home and just click on here. You can see here or download some apps. You can write here or press if if that app name is so large or something. So what you can do next is you will get an Amazon Fire TV app on your mobile by Play Store. You can just search, or you have to go on Play Store and search for Fire TV. I will show you here right now. You can see here. Let's go on to focus. You can see Fire TV is having update. So first I'm going to update it. And after updating, I'm going to show you how is this work. And if you want to go like this only, you can see here. If I want to write Spotify. Just press on OK, and just after that P. So it is kind of irritating. So the best option is that please go with the mobile application Fire TV. I will show you, and after that you will see also here the section of movies. All the movies here it's connected with Amazon Prime. So first you have to buy Amazon Prime, and then you will be able to watch all the movies from all around the world, from Hollywood, Bollywood, every movies available here. So you can see my Fire TV is downloaded. Now I'm going to show you here first. Focus. You can see here on show. You can see here it is already showing Amazon Fire TV still because it is on. First if you are using this app for the first time. So if you press on Amazon Fire TV stick, which will be available according to your user name, so it will show a code on your TV, and you have to write on your mobile. So I've just connected. You can see here it's connecting. See, it's connected. So if I want to write on search bar here Spotify, you can here's the button. 1 second. You can see here I can watch or type very fastly. Spotify I've already typed here. Just click on search and it will do. You can see all the things. So if you want to if you are saying that all it is good or bad, so I'm gonna say it is good, but you first have to purchase a broadband or anything if you want to watch. Is watch without any lag, without any error. Sometimes if the network is not good, then it will not show. Not only this, it will not open up. It will say home is not currently available. So the main thing before buying, you have to fix the network problem. It should be good, and after that you can buy. and you can enjoy it. So hope you enjoyed. You can see if you have any this, which I have already reviewed on this Bolt earphones. You can go here. You can go here, remotes and Bluetooth devices. You can see here. You can also connect game controller, Amazon Fire TV remotes, and you have to go on other Bluetooth devices and you add Bluetooth devices. If you it's on, like my board is not on right now, so it will show you here and you have to just connect and it will connect automatically. You can see here it's already connected, so all the the output of your video will be heard in your wireless earphones. So hope you enjoyed this video, and be subscribe my channel by clicking right here, and I'll see you in the next one.